Hello scholars, welcome back. In today's class, we are going to start with chapter 10 from our new images textbook. Alright, so I want you all to get ready with page number 96. Chapter 10. Let's read the name of the chapter. The RAINBOW, rainbow. I'm sure you all have seen beautiful rainbows in this rainy season, isn't it? Yes. There is a line below the heading, let's read that, where clouds sail and colors appear. Okay, now where do the clouds sail? Clouds we see in the sky, okay, and we see different colors of the rainbow. Let's read this beautiful poem. What does it say? Look at page number 97. Boats sail on the rivers and ships sail on the seas. Now, what does it say? We know how a boat or ship looks like, isn't it? So, boat sail. Sail is to float on water, isn't it? So, here boats sail on the rivers, ships sail on the seas. Okay. Next line. But, CLOUDS, clouds, that sail, ACROSS, across the sky, RPRETTIER, prettier than these. That means clouds that sail, that float across the sky. Okay, just like how boats sail on rivers. Where do the clouds float? They float in the sky, isn't it? So the poet says these clouds are much prettier. That means beautiful than these boats and ships. Next paragraph. There are BRIDGES, bridges on the rivers as pretty as you please. Now what are bridges? That connects two things by forming a bridge in between. Yes? So I'm sure you might have seen bridges near the rivers, isn't it? So there are bridges on the rivers as pretty as you please. They look very pretty too, just like how it is shown in the picture. But the bow that bridges, 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 heaven and overtops the trees. Okay, but the bow, that means it is the rainbow that bridges heaven. That means bridges again here means connecting, that connects heaven and overtops the trees. That means rises even over the top of something, overtops the trees, that is going over the top of even the trees. Okay, next line. And builds a road from earth to sky. So this bow, how does it build a road from earth to sky? Is prettier far than these. That means this bow that is connecting from earth to sky, doesn't it look like that when you see a rainbow? Isn't it? It looks from, as we look at it, standing on our terrace, isn't it? It looks as if it is going from our earth, touching our earth to the sky, isn't it? Connecting from earth to sky. And this looks beautiful than any of the other bridges, is what the poet says. That is a very small little poem, isn't it? Now let's read the meanings given in page number 98. In the box, let's read that. SAIL, sail. Sail is to float as if on water. Okay. Next, BRIDGES, bridges. Now bridges is to connect. Let's read. Connects two things by forming a bridge. Alright. Next, overtops. Exceeds it's go above, or rises over the top of. Okay, rises over the top of something is called overtops. Alright, now let's do the exercise A1. Read the poem carefully. Fill in the blanks using the words from the poem. Okay, let's do the first one. Boats sail on the dash. Where do the boats sail? We have read in the poem on the rivers. Write down R-I-V-E-R-S, rivers. Number 2. Dash sail on the seas. What sail on the seas? Ships. Write down S-H-I-P-S, ships. Number 3. Dash sail across the sky. Now what sail across the sky? Just like how boats and ships sail on rivers and seas, what sails across the sky? Clouds. Write down C-L-O-U-D-S, clouds. Number 4. There are dash on the rivers. Now on the rivers, what do you see? Bridges. Yes? B-R-I-D-G-E-S, bridges. Number 5. Dash builds a road from earth to sky. What builds like a road from earth to sky? It's a rainbow. Write down R-A-I-N-B-O-W, rainbow. Now let me tell you one important thing about a rainbow. Do you all know how many colors do we see in a rainbow? It is 7 different colors. And starting from the bottom color, the first one is violet. Above that is indigo. And then you have blue, green, yellow, orange, red. That is Vibgyor, V-I-B-G-Y-O-R, Vibgyor. That means violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red. These are the different colors, 7 different colors that we see in a rainbow. Alright, we have done with this poem. Alright, I want you to learn the meanings of these words in the box and then do the reading of the poem again, and then you have a PDF in the link which is in the description box. Click on it. Make sure you complete the dictation words and question and answers in your copy, and also there is a worksheet. Make sure you do the worksheet as well. Alright, I will see you in the next class. Till then, you take care and be safe at home.